Installing the soft token. Open folder, run the MSF file, the RSA soft token PC MSI file. Accept all defaults. North America, South America is fine. Accept agreement. Complete install. Install. Wait for the software to be installed. Select finish. Close the folder. Now double select this ID file. Highlight the serial number. Select transfer selected token to hard drive. Token successfully launched. Software token. Select yes. Now just verifying the token information. Yes. Now change the view to token view. This is now your new token. This replaces that keychain hard token key now that you can throw away. Now to use the software, you will want to select start programs, and I think it's going to install it in a directory called Office Applications. Then you see Secure ID Soft Token. You run this program here, Soft Token. It'll open up that screen. You open up the connectivity VPN client. Your new ID is already in this field, so you want to, if it's not on your field, type in your new ID in this field, which is this one, A41885. Select save. From now on, that will be always in there. Now to use your new token, you type in your password, your PIN number. Your PIN number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you hit enter. But you want to wait till you have a few more bars in this area here. So now that you have more bars, go ahead and enter your PIN number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Select enter. Select copy. Then you want to paste it in this field. Paste. Connect. Once you receive the security banner, you are now connected to the Uwala network. Hit accept and close. Go ahead and close this, and now you are VPN into an Uwala. To disconnect, just right click on the connectivity VPN client and select disconnect. And now you are disconnected from the network.